So I'm Coraline Goron. I'm a professor of environmental policy at DKU. So actually we designed this activity for the orientation together with Christopher, the Dean of Student Experiences. We wanted to create something that would, on the one hand, involve all the students at orientation and introduce them to the topic of sustainability and make sure that it would become part of their identity at DKU. We also wanted this to be something that they could actually participate in and also explore the campus in a different way.
We participated in this sustainability activity. My group actually went to the rooftop garden, during which we acted basically as farmers, and we participated in planting some kind of plants there on the rooftop garden.
The most impressive part is the rooftop garden and also as well as the community farms that we have at DKU, and I just feel like it's a fulfillment and it just shows a commitment for us to adopt a more greener lifestyle.
It's so pretty and so fresh and like breathable here. It's just really nice.
These sustainability events enhance me about the understanding of the DKU campus.
Our goal for climate change sustainability initiative cannot be achieved without students' engagement. Through this session, I hope all new students will have a fundamental knowledge about how the campus system working together to build a better environment for the whole community. Also understand the sustainability approach is a key consideration during the full life cycle of campus design, construction, as well as operations.
I really love this activity and it's so meaningful. It just gives me like inspiration for us to a more sustainable future about the daily options that we can choose. And I think it is not only a simple step, it's a stepping stone for a further and more sustainable life in the future.
These activities were also the first time for us to use the campus and use the campus features as a lab for students to test and to learn new knowledge related to sustainability.